Hello everybody, welcome to the island of Ko Chang and welcome to the Rusty Traveler. Sit back, relax, no jet lag for you today, just chill out and enjoy. Location-wise, Cookies Hotel is just dead center in White Sand Beach and it is a great location. There's not a lot to do in White Sand Beach, but the beach is really what it's all about, so to get as close to it as you can. So the rooms were okay, they were spacious, a little colorful. The resort is older, but it still is got a lot of value, a very good price, very clean, and it's well supported by tourists. The color is a matter of taste. It's also called the Pink Hotel. So that's the area that's on the other side of the street. I'm going to walk over there right now. And that's where the breakfast is. And this is called the hillside area. Most of the hotels here will have a hillside area. They'll have a beachfront or seafront and then a hillside area. So this is the hillside area on the other side of the busy road. Usually they'll also have a pool over there and a nice rec area for the people staying over there. So it's a way to save a little bit of money by being on the other side of the road and still be in the heart of Ko Chang. So the breakfast buffet was a little bit disappointing. I'm being kind. Tried it a few times, never got better. I was warned. But it is what it is. You know what? I only paid $56 Canadian a night. And you got free breakfast and it wasn't great, but that's what it is. The pool area is really nice and the location is killer. It is right in the center of White Sand Beach. Quick note here, guys. I know everybody asks you to subscribe and you don't even know why they're asking you to do this. It helps promote our channel. We want more people to see what we're doing and get value from it. So please subscribe, like, share us out to your friends, and I hope to see you guys on the road one day. I just wanted to mention some of the excellent services that are operated by the hotel. They are independent operators, but they rent space right out front. There's a incredible beauty salon, fantastic coffee shop, great massage place, and tour operators there, and you can rent a scooter right there. You don't even have to leave the grounds. There's an ice cream shop. There's even a ganja shop, so you don't have to go far at Cookies Resort to have a good time. So yes, as I just mentioned, on the beach at night they put chairs and tables. There's several restaurants that run right along White Sand Beach, very beautiful. And sorry, but I borrowed one of my shorts to put in here rather than re-editing something else. I'm cheating, but I hope you appreciate my effort. So, would I recommend Cookies Resort? Yeah, I would. It's a good price point. Usually it's around $50 Canadian, so that's about a nickel American. And the pool is good. The location is killer. It's one of the best locations in the island of Ko Chang. So pluses on the resort is cost, around $50 a night, not bad. And that's just about year round. Location, awesome. And the resort is clean. The pool area is really nice. So that's a plus. And I think you'd enjoy that. Negative side is their breakfast is not strong and they have no Wi-Fi. So it depends what's a priority to you. You can always go out for breakfast. Food here is quite cheap. So keep that in mind when you get a bargain on a place. Sometimes you're giving up a little something, but it still may be worth the purchase. Thanks guys for taking the time to watch this video on Cookies Resort on the island of Ko Chang on White Sand Beach. The reason I came to Ko Chang was for one main reason: elephants. Ko Chang in Thai means Elephant Island. So the following day, after checking into Cookies Resort, I went on an elephant trek up into the unspoiled jungles in the center of the island of Ko Chang. I hope you'll take a moment and watch the next video and see how I made out. Well, I'm here for an elephant trek. So this particular trek is nice here on the island of Ko Chang. They take you up into the mountains and through the jungle. I refuse to ride an elephant, but I'm walking with them, and honestly, the experience is just about the same. Just a banana, not me. Yeah. Oh. I get a better view of the elephants by being on the ground and looking at them than I would if I was sitting on top of one. Tell me another animal that in the wild that you'll enjoy seeing more if you get to sit on it. Such does not exist. So did you guys really enjoy it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Was
Fantastic.
It was good.
Yeah, that was worth it, eh?
Yeah.
The river thing was